Hello, model car builders. This is the Novice Builder sharing with you another build. This is my 1957 Chevrolet Belair from AMT. I have built a couple of these, but wanted to share this one with you. I did this particular car in this paint I hadn't worked with. I kind of discovered it by accident. These are color shift paints I picked up at a local Walmart. And this color is called Blue Flash. I had mentioned it previously. It is a color shift paint, so you can see in the paint job a little bit of purple or violet and some green shades in there. Kind of surprised, but I was pleased with the results. I like how this came out. I went with some rims from the AMT 66 Chevy 2 Nova for this. And the white walls are actually out of I think an AMT Oldsmobile kit that came with some white walls and some red lines. I decided to use the white walls. The white walls on this kit, you actually had to paint yourself. They weren't the snap-in white walls, so I went with something different. So I like the look I got from this. I went with a gray interior. Not sure if you can see it that well there. Gray interior and the dash. The front dash is the body color. The back dash I went with black on this particular build. But anyway, wanted to show you that. This is, let me share with you the engine compartment on this Chevy. I think it was this particular car had a 265 V8. That is actually a breather, I think, from an Oldsmobile build that I didn't use. So it's a nice chrome breather. I decided to use it on here, air cleaner. So that's how that went. Briefly, let me show you the underneath. This particular kit comes with chrome-plated front suspension area and the rear leaf springs in the axle. So I just left those as is, and then the exhaust system there is molded into the bottom, so I just painted those. I think I used a silver pen to paint those, and to get that, I went with the Chevy red, of course, on the engine. So just wanted to share that with you. As you can see, I had some issues with the stents. I really am not sure what the issue was. I think but I can see the front axle is a little bent, but I really struggled with that. I'm not sure why the stents just did not work out well on this car. So anyway, wanted to share. Like how that came out, the silver. As you can see, I forgot to do the rear view mirror when I built this. I forgot that sometimes, get building, and then I forgot to install the rear view mirror. So anyway, but let me know what you think, observations. I have a couple of these color shift paints. I have another one that's like a pearl black. So I'm interested to use those and see how they come out. I used this, I showed in a different video, the same paint, this exact same paint I used on another car where I did a black, like a glossy black base as a primer, and I put this color shift over it and it came out a really nice purple. So I'm using that on a different build, but wanted to share this. My 57 Belair. This is the hood. You can see how that came out on there. Thank you for checking this out. Let me know what you think, observations, suggestions. I hope this video finds you all well and safe. We will talk soon.